girl Breathe the Diva, and I'm back with another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing some yard work, so y'all gonna come along with me. I am going to be reviewing this chainsaw that I got off Amazon. I do have some branches that I need to cut, so we're gonna see if this is gonna be a right fit for it. Okay, the real think he's gonna be using this chainsaw, but he's not. So yeah, let's get this review started. All right, so let's just get right into this package. So I've received this yesterday. I believe I ordered it like probably Friday and got it Sunday. It may was Saturday and got it Sunday, but I know it was quick shipping. This is the electric chainsaw, and I didn't even realize that it said mini, but yeah. I thought it was super cute. Everything that you needed was literally in the box. The box wasn't too big and it wasn't too heavy as well. So now I'm just opening the box. It's so cute, you guys. It's packaged so cute. But I'm not going to lie, I was looking for a bigger chainsaw. We got the book, but you know what? We just going to go ahead and toss it because who needs it? And then they had some gloves in there, which I thought was really helpful. I did end up using the gloves, and my husband was making me laugh, y'all. But he was like, that's it? And I was like, that's it. I wanted to bust out laughing, but I said, don't worry about it. It's still going to get the job done, period. I don't know about y'all, but I hate buying stuff and it don't work out or don't fall through. So, honey, I'm going to make it work. I'm going to make it work. And then they got the battery for it. And then they got all the stuff that you need. You got a little oil if you need to put oil on it. What else we got? We got the charger. And you also need them safety glasses, guys. So, guys, excuse me if you hear all the screaming and stuff in the background. My son and my husband is in there playing. They love to wrestle. I just don't understand. I need me a girl in the house. Please, give me a girl. Give me a girl. But anyway, y'all, we're just going to get back into the video. So I did use the gloves. Don't be like me and don't use them goggles. Because, baby, when I tell you stuff was flying everywhere, pop, 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 all up in my eye. And I had glasses on. So please use the safety goggles that they provide. So I was going to start on the fire pit. But I was just like, you know, I'm going to worry about the stuff that's more important. And that is that persimmon tree. So you see me, you know, trying to do a little bit with the fire pit, but I'm going to let my husband deal with that because he don't want the fire pit, so he can handle it. So if y'all see this tree, this is a persimmon tree. I believe the owner that used to live there, she was Korean or Japanese, and I know like this is I think it's a Japanese fruit, the persimmon fruit tree, which she planted. I don't mind the tree, but it's just everywhere. The branches are everywhere. You can't even walk on the side to like get to the back door. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be cutting some of those branches. Like they are hanging. They're not even ready. They're not ripe yet to be picked. So I really don't want to cut it. But at the same time, I'm tired of looking at it. And I did do like a little test run with it. And I was like, okay, this little thing get up. It might be mini, but this thing is the truth. I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna lie. This thing might, you know, be packing. You know how they short, but they be packing? That's that thing right there. Okay, y'all. So now I'm about to start cutting the tree. Do y'all see how low it's hanging? Like, I literally cannot walk around it. Now, I would say with this thing, it do give you a kickback. If you hit like something really rigid, I would say it definitely is a kickback with that. Like you gotta really have a good hold on it. But like this little thing was cutting thick branches. I was so surprised. I said, let me go get the camera because y'all gotta see this. Like it's not little tiny branches. These are thick branches. And they did, like, I don't know, I just don't understand, like, why on this side it held so many fruit, which was, like, causing the branches to hang. So, literally, you guys, it's not taking anything for this chainsaw to cut those branches. So, I'm not going to do no more talking. I'm just going to let you guys watch and see, like, Y'all gotta go get y'all one. I think it was only like $40. It's super small. You can take it in your car with you. You can travel with it. You can go to your buddy's house, cut their branches. Y'all, get on Amazon and get this for real. Y'all, this tree about to boom. Like, who did I thought I was, y'all? I didn't even hold it. I didn't even hold the branch. You know, I had to get myself together a little bit because I was like, okay, I almost got knocked out. Like, I thought I almost had to go to the emergency room. But nah, for real, y'all. The branch was really light. Yeah, don't be like me. Hold the branch when you cutting. I'm just cutting. Some of them I did hold, but I was just like, I just got to get this stuff off. Okay, you guys. So one thing I did like about this chainsaw, when I took it out the box, it was already charged. So I tested the battery to see like what level it was on, and it automatically had 4 lights, so that's pretty good. I know some electric stuff you have to charge it when it comes. This was already charged and literally ready to go. So as you can see, this one was a really thick branch. I'm trying to let y'all see, y'all. I'm all up in the way. But if you can see the branch, how thick it was, that little thing cut through it within seconds. So I cut up all the trees that I felt like, that were hanging the most. Now I'm going to pick up all the persimmon that was on the branches. I had read something that said like the persimmon can still ripe even though they're not attached to the tree. So I'm going to try to preserve them, maybe give some to my sisters to see if they will ripe up, because like I have never tasted persimmon. My mom said like in South Boston, her and my dad tasted them when they were younger. So y'all, I just want to taste the fruit to see, what's all the hype about. When we moved into the house, in the detail, the owner had said delicious fruit. So that's what made us wanting to keep it. So I'm just going through all the branches that I cut, and I'm picking all the persimmons off. I think I had a lot. Towards the end, I'll show you at the end. I think I had about 20, maybe 25 persimmon. Yeah, so I'm going to do some more research. I did read, somebody had said put them in a bag, and hopefully they're ripe that way. Or you can put them on the counter. They said normally if you put them on the counter for 2 weeks, they may ripen. So with this fruit, they normally don't ripen until the fall, which the fall is around the corner. I did have some that was actually changing colors. You'll know when they're ripe when they actually turn orange. So some of them was changing colors. If you can see that one was a little orange, but not quite ready. Most of them that I have are green. So hopefully I'll be able to save them. If not, I got a whole bunch still on the tree. I'm looking forward to kind of like making dishes out of them. There are a lot of persimmon dishes that I have seen online. So once these ripe, I will be trying and we'll be coming back to show you guys. Alright, so this is the end result of cutting the tree. Y'all, it looks so good. Just the fact that I can walk underneath them, it looks so good. And this is all the persimmon that I got. Y'all, that is a lot. I didn't even count. I haven't even counted yet. But these are the persimmon, you guys. Look how much I got. Like, it's... Alright, you guys, that's it for my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, look who threw that head on and came out to help mama. That my sweet boy.